Hi everybody, it's Claudie from Canvas Lab. I quickly wanted to do a video to show you how to make these miniature pom-poms using a fork. Right, so what you need is your fork, some wool and a pair of scissors. You're going to start by wrapping your wool around your fork. You want to keep it nice and loose all the way through. I like to keep my finger there as a marker because you need to keep some space open at the bottom. So keep on wrapping. And remember not to go too tight. That is a fair amount on there. So I'm going to cut this off. Then I'm going to cut another piece of string to tie it off. Now this, you're going to need to pass through the bottom of your fork. Goes through and over, and then you tie it off. If you wrap your wool around too tightly from the start, then you're going to have trouble cinching the center nice and tight. It's going to look like that, like a little bow. You can take it off. Now you've got all these loops around the side, and you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut through all of them. Make sure you've cut all your loops. Okay. And then you just need to tidy it up a bit. That's it. Miniature pom-pom. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.